This is Jay Teaches Reading for All, Lesson 8, introducing the letter H. We're going to review the sounds now. Students, sound of short A, apple, N, nut, B, bat, C, cap, D, donut, E, egg, F, flag, G, gun, and H is coming up. Now we're going to review the words that we've been reading, and we'll go back to lesson 6. And here are the words. Students, try to read these before I do. Fan, fad, fad, fed. Okay, and teachers, parents, if you'd like, you can do a spelling test on these. If you think that students need more practice and that would help. If so, use pause. All right, now we're going to go to, went too far. We're going to go to lesson 7. And the words we had there. Again, students, try to say these before I do. Egg, gag, ab, gab, egg, bag, egg, 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 beg. And again, teachers, if you'd like to do a quick spelling test or just have the students go over these once or twice, use pause. Now we're going to review the true and false. And we'll start. Let's see. First of all, you need to be able to see them all. We'll just start with lesson 7 since we're on lesson 7. And teachers, go ahead and have the students read these to you. Don't have to worry about the explanation of the true and false. Help as needed. Use pause. All right, now the true and false from lesson 6. I think I've got everything on there. Go ahead, teachers, with that. Use pause. Now we're ready for our new letter, our new lesson. We have the H, and it makes the sound as in house. What sound does H make, students? As in house. All right, for those that are doing the printing, some teachers will be doing dot to dot, others will have the printing books. And for the capital H, I recommend for young students that you do, well, actually for the older ones too, you do the left line first, the right line next, and then a line crossing. For the small h, straight line down, and then up and around with a hill so that you really do not take your pencil off the paper. So go ahead and practice those. Use pause. Now our new words. We've got add, had, and, hand, ag, hag, and hen. Of course, a hen is a chicken. A hag is an ugly old woman, often associated with a witch. And teachers, parents, use pause and have students practice those words a few times, 1 to 3 times. Go ahead. All right, now we're going to do practice printing. Some teachers will be doing dot to dot with students that haven't really gained proficiency in printing. Other teachers, you can just have the student write the word and then say it, write the word and then say it. And they can look at the word at this point. The next thing we're going to do, of course, is the spelling test where they can't look at the word. But this time they can look at the word as they're printing it and then saying it. Again, I'd go one time, and if they got it, they got it. But you may need to go up to 3 times. Don't go over 3. We don't want to spend that much time. Use pause. All right, now we're going to do the spelling test on these words. And those that are using the cutouts, you'll need an H, you'll need an A, you'll need a D, you'll need an N, you'll need an E for those cutouts. So go ahead and do the spelling test. Use pause. Now comes the true and false. Go ahead and use pause, teachers, and let the students read these twice. My answers: Dad had a hen. Could be true, but some children might say, well, you know, my dad is never going to have a hen. We don't live on a farm. And they would have a reasonable answer for a false. So accept those reasonable answers. Number 2, Ed had a bad hand. I'd put true, possible because everybody could have a bad hand, but the student might know someone named Ed who doesn't. And so they would put false. They'd have a reasonable reason. Number 3, Ben had a bed. That's possible. True. Number 4, Nan can be a hag. This one, students might put false, especially if they know Nan. I'd say there's an outside chance it could be true, but we'll let that one kind of float. Okay, the next lesson we're going to do is lesson 9, introducing the letter I, which is a vowel. It's our 3rd vowel, and I makes the short vowel sound of I, like in Indian or in igloo. So I will see you in the I lesson.